Miswa aive asemufandira. Miswa aive asemufandira. I saw I saw this comment. Someone said, "Let Makoti speak this statement." I don't know the meaning, so I'm asking you, whoever write that comment. So tell me, what is the meaning? Aswa Aswa aive asemufandira. Oh no, Miswa aive asemufandira. So you people, the statement that you are giving me, the meaning, right meaning also. So please, people of God, let me know in comment section what is the meaning of this statement. Miswa aive asemufandira. Hope I pronounce very well, not like the previous one. I saw people, they were not really getting. So let me speak again. Miswa aive asemufandira. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Please keep on sharing our video, likes, and follow our page. As you are following our page, you are encouraging me to speak more, to learn more. Thank you so much, people of God. Have a blessed day.